In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Amazon. This integration helps you manage products, inventory, and orders more efficiently across both platforms. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage integrations and sales platforms connected to your Shopify store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, head to the search bar and type Amazon. From the search results, look for an app like Amazon Easy Tool or another Amazon integration app that suits your needs. Click on the app to open its details page. Now click on Install to begin adding the app to your Shopify store. Follow the on-screen instructions and approve any required permissions. After installation, open the app from your Shopify admin. You'll be prompted to connect your Amazon seller account. Sign in to your Amazon Seller Central account and authorize the connection between Amazon and Shopify. Once connected, you can start syncing your products, inventory, and orders between both platforms. Depending on the app, you may also be able to manage pricing, fulfillment, and product listings directly from Shopify. Make sure to review all sync settings carefully so your inventory and product information stay accurate across both stores. And that's it. You've successfully connected Shopify with Amazon. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.